PMT NET coaching in Salmiya. Welcome to Test Prep Card. This is Manish. In search of a good life, you left your home. You went among the sands and oil in order to have a good life so that you can pass this on to your wards. And congratulations to you, you have been successful in doing so. But the fact is that somewhere you are also guilt-ridden that your wards are completely bereft of that rigorous Indian education system that is so enriching and so vast, right? So here Test Prep Card has come with a method which is a blend of the best of the teacher, the best of the study material, the best of mentoring and guidance that will take all your worries away. Now, I would like to tell you that it is the method only that makes you successful in any high-stake engineering or medical examination or school examination or SAT, etc. No matter where you live. For example, if you are in Kota, which is supposed to be the best place for coaching for engineering or medical, etc. But if your ward is not following the method, there is no use of living that place. But if your ward is in, say, Riyadh or Oman or Abu Dhabi or say Bahrain or Kuwait, but if he or she is following a particular method, which is the best of the mentoring, doing the best of his study material, test series, guided by the best of the teacher, no one can stop this. And only on the basis of that, we have so far given 411 results in JEE. We have given 282 results in PMT and NET and more than 2000 results in SAT. You should know that the CBSE topper of year 2016, Prakirti and Rashmi Bol, they have been Test Prep Card aspirant. Now, why this model? Many people, they ask us, why don't you come and open a brick and mortar model here? We deny. The reason is that the best of the teachers who are top-notch ex-IITians or the best teacher from AIIMS and Harvard, they are not going to be in these countries, especially in the Middle East countries, for many reasons. That's why we came up with this model where we connect the best of the teachers with their strengths in order to grab result. Now, we are offering a full-fledged system to you that actually I already mentioned that it is a blend of the best of study material, all top-notch marquee teachers, best of the test series and mentoring. A very customized approach where all the problems are solved. I have already told you about the result that this year we have given 411 results in engineering examinations, 282 in PMT and NET, and more than 2000 results in CBSE. The more than 2000 results in SAT, the CBSE toppers are also our students, Prakirti and Rashmi, call it Prasad Pawar, or many more students. You know, they have been getting more than 97%. So I shall request all of you to come and discover the joy of learning here at Test Prep Card. I shall request you, if you want to know more about our course, write to info@testprepcard.com or just call 8800123492 and 9999001864. We are there to speak with you. Thank you.